Right, next job is going to be making a baffle on one short. This is one that I have got out of one of the larger exhausts, the outer exhausts. Just got to try and make one of them. Been looking on eBay for one, but they're either really expensive or there's not really many about. So I've got a little bit of tube there, which is the same size as that, and for this end piece I've got this old this is actually off a bantam, old bantam pipe, which is fairly rusty and I couldn't handle it really, so I think I'll just cut a piece off the end of that. Seems to be roughly the same diameter. I have to just sand it down a bit to make it smaller. Yeah, I think with those bits there I'm probably just going to have to make a washer to go in there to take up the difference between them two, so I can weld them together. And a little rod in the end there, and a thread for the fix and screw. But yeah, I think it should be possible to rig something up anyway, and just get some wool. Get some wool off eBay, and repack on at the same time. It's probably still the original packing on there. And yeah, see how we go. Right, just marked this tube here ready for drilling, centre punched so you can get the holes, as in this one, and just cut a piece of this flat steel to a round so I can weld it on the end there, and once that's on I'll then drill a hole in the middle for that to go in. And that'll just be a case of tapping the hole for a screw and putting a bar across the end, as in that one. And hopefully that'll fit okay. And I've removed the old packing that was on there just so I could see what the holes were like up the top end. So here we are, that's that bit of tube all drilled out. It's all ready. Well, just clean up this end and get the grease off it, or the cutting fluid rather. Then I'll be ready to weld in. Well, once I've got all this piece together and drilled, I will be ready to assemble. So I just welded that flat, still hot, still welded that piece on the end there. Once that's cooled down, I'll tidy that up and then drill a hole in the centre for that to go down. Okay, just cleaned that up a bit. Might just need a little bit more. Don't want to do too much because it'll don't want to be loose in the end of the exhaust pipe. So I think what we'll do for only going further is get it in the lathe, get a hole in the end there, and get that bit welded in. Right, there we are. That's bored out. That's the pipe's got to go on. Like that, somewhere. So it's just got to be welded on there. A bar across the end here is on that one. Though I think that one's been redone by the looks of it. Must have broke at some point. I think it should be flush with the end. And also tap a hole for that. we are, all done. Not pretty, but it'll do the job. Let's say I've got some packing on order for that. Couldn't find any solid bar the right size, so I just used a bit of cut down bolt, threaded bolt in there, which will do, and got my threaded hole there. Say pretty much like the original, so hopefully that should work okay. Oh, and I've also got some high temperature paint there, so I'll just give it a spray over